Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return 2. We'll start by understanding who is eligible to use this specific form. ITR 2 is designed for individuals and Hindu undivided families who do not have income from a business or profession. This includes those with income from salary, multiple house properties, capital gains, or other sources. It's also for individuals who are directors in a company or hold unlisted equity shares. Next, let's talk about the essential documents you'll need to have ready before you begin. Make sure you have your permanent account number card, ITR card, and all your bank account information handy. For salaried individuals, Form 16 from your employer is crucial. If you've sold any investments, gather your capital gain statements. Also, compile details of any other income, such as interest from savings accounts or dividends received. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of filing your ITR 2. First, log in to the official income tax e-filing portal using your registered credentials. Select the appropriate assessment year and choose ITR Form 2. Carefully fill in all your personal information, income details from various sources, and any applicable deductions. It's very important to verify all the pre-filled data for accuracy before moving forward. Finally, calculate your tax liability and pay any outstanding tax. The final crucial steps involve verifying and submitting your return. After completing all sections, thoroughly review your entire ITR 2 for any potential errors or omissions. Once you are confident, choose your preferred method for e-verification. Common options include using an ITR one-time password, net banking, or a demat account. Alternatively, you can print and sign a physical copy of ITRV and mail it to the centralized processing center. Remember, verification must be completed within 30 days of filing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.